back to our channel, where we continue to unravel the mysteries of pregnancy. During pregnancy, it is important to prioritize the safety and well-being of both the mother and the developing baby. Here are some activities that are generally recommended to be avoided or approached with caution. 1. High-impact or contact sports. Activities such as soccer, basketball, hockey, and martial arts carry a risk of falls, collisions, and abdominal injuries. It is recommended to avoid these sports to prevent harm to the baby and the mother's abdomen. 2. Heavy lifting or straining. Lifting heavy objects or straining excessively can increase the risk of injury, strain on the back, or abdominal muscles. It is advisable to avoid heavy lifting and seek help when needed. 3. Hot tubs, saunas, and hot baths. Exposure to high temperatures can raise the body temperature, which can be harmful to the developing baby. It is recommended to avoid hot tubs, saunas, and hot baths during pregnancy. 4. Scuba diving. Scuba diving poses a risk of decompression sickness and gas embolisms, which can be harmful to both the mother and the baby. It is recommended to avoid scuba diving during pregnancy. 5. Certain exercises or activities that involve lying flat on the back. After the first trimester, lying flat on the back for extended periods can put pressure on the vena cava, a major blood vessel, and reduce blood flow to the baby. It is advisable to avoid activities that involve lying flat on the back, such as certain types of yoga or exercises. 6. Extreme or high-altitude activities. Activities like skydiving, bungee jumping, or hiking at high altitudes can potentially reduce oxygen supply to the baby and increase the risk of complications. It is generally recommended to avoid such activities during pregnancy. 7. Excessive physical exertion. While regular exercise is generally encouraged during pregnancy, it is important to listen to your body and avoid excessive physical exertion or activities that cause excessive fatigue or discomfort. Remember, every pregnancy is unique, and it's crucial to consult with your healthcare provider before engaging in any physical activities or exercises. They can provide personalized advice based on your health condition and the progress of your pregnancy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more pregnancy-related content.